Welcome back to another Nathaniel Brown III YouTube video.
I'm in my mood. I'm chilling.
He is not in a mood. His mood will be brightened by the black goat.
Some water.
Would you like more, my guy? Alright, y'all might not know what Bucharest is, bitch, but in Detroit, it's a grill place.
#1 spot downtown.
I wouldn't lie to you like that. I would never call this the #1 spot downtown. Don't even.
I know these fries about to be slapping, man.
Them bitches about to be old and soggy. You feel me?
Dog, I think.
Let me try one.
It's old and soggy. Why you think they don't even? Every time they make a thing, they damn near making fresh fries. These aren't made to go home. Let me go ahead and get one.
It's still good to me.
They good.
But they soggy. Oh, they kind of warm. Hey, get that.
This nigga throwing fries, dog. You can't be wasting the fries like that, dog.
Oh yeah, let me get a handful of those.
We out here starving and shit.
Throw these on the plate. Them bitches kind of is good. I know that's gonna be good. Like these bitches kind of, they like warm though.
Yeah, imagine eating them.
How much
boys.
was the fries?
$3.
Could have been $3.
I should have got some fries.
Yeah, I should have asked D-Lo, bro. I didn't think it was gonna be coming up there like. You know, I got the plug for y'all if y'all trying to get something.
Well, honestly, D-Lo, he come back with a box talking about some damn, bro. I could have got some. Why didn't you say that shit before you walked back there?
Yeah, man.
You right. It's slipped my
I mean, you
mind.
do. I ain't gonna hold you up. You always say it and I deny it. So I'm not blaming you.
No, man. It's cool.
I'm
Next
not
time I
blaming
need
you
you
at all.
make it known.
No, I just don't be wanting to get you in trouble, though.
What y'all eating?
I'm eating large salad, sub beef, no tomato. You dig? Add feta, little oil on that bitch.
Boy, get his custom meal since he worked there.
No, I've been doing this meal. I've been doing since about 2 weeks ago, or a week ago. I'm kind of new to this bitch.
I'm about to be banging this chicken shawarma. I feel like. I think the sauce I was supposed to ask for was garlic sauce.
It's on there.
It's on there, but I'd be liking to have like extra. I just couldn't think of the name when I was there. I was like, man, forget it, man. I'm just trust what they did to it.
Corned beef.
Yeah,
Mustard,
corned
ketchup.
beef.
And Swiss cheese.
You know what you
Oh
should
yeah,
do
oh
next
yeah, oh
time?
yeah. It's perfect.
Add some squeeze cheese on there too.
You could tell the garlic sauce good on here when it's leaking out. Yeah, that's good, man.
Try that one after you, Nate.
What?
Straight
Corned beef.
sliders. I like it with the Reuben wrap. Cause the Reuben wrap.
Should have got me some napkins.
How much are those?
8.
I think the Reuben wrap like it might be 8 or 5. When you get more Reuben. The pita bread instead of that. I don't know if you like pita bread or not.
What is Reuben?
Corned beef.
No, I'm saying. That's not the bread?
Reuben is like that. So they got the Reuben sliders and the Reuben wrap.
I'm gonna have to try that.
The Reuben wrap, you know, the same thing you get right there. I don't know if you like the Russian on there. You don't gotta get it on there. Get the everything like you know, everything on the side. I like with squeezed cheese. Squeezed cheese, how that bitch slapping to me.
I might get it tomorrow then.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say they come back tomorrow. You stupid? What that nigga 600? That's just nasty, hilarious. Stupid.
They ain't have no applications up there?
No, all them bitches was just used, bro. I thought I seen applications. I grabbed a stack this thick of papers.
That was
filled out
waiting,
applications. Like,
and waiting for people to.
for people that applied. Yeah. I mean, I can get the nigga in there because I work there.
How many people be applying?
a bunch of females. That's why it's easy for niggas. It'd be a couple niggas that be like, fucking, I'm not trying to work with him. They be really trying to get more people that already work there to bring people in. I would like a, recommendation type thing.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all get paid for referring people?
Hell no. You thought they would have handled us.
It's like that when I was at Google. Refer somebody, they give you a G.
A G?
Mm-hmm. You refer somebody, they pass the interview and get in the workplace.
They don't even got to stay for a certain amount of time?
Probably like through the training. But yeah, you get you a G.
Okay. You ready to fight me? Shit, I would have been there so quick.
Man, I don't know what I was thinking during that time, bro.
That bitch back. His Google Drive was cold.
I would have
This
been
nigga
that
had a
bitch so
full
quick.
gym in that bitch. Hooping gym, working out gym.
If you getting a G for referring people, that's all you got to tell me. I know what I need to know.
I shouldn't have quit that job, bro. That's like my biggest regret.
You can't,
in like
go
the
back.
past like
He can go back. He's
3
scared.
years.
Why don't go back?
I don't know, man. I'm scared.
Nigga,
Get rejected.
look, Nate, you see the skin tone? That's the dark skin thing. That's some light skin shit. Yo, I'm scared to get rejected. Nigga, what? You refer niggas and get a G. You get back in that bitch and refer both of us?
That's too bad.
That's too bad. That's another trip to the Philippines, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Quick hand, bro.
Quick one too.
So how long you gonna be working at BUCHAREST?
Was you good at the job?
Mm-hmm.
They liked you?
Yeah, I was real good.
Go back. Do you want the job back?
Yeah.
Call them.
Not that simple, bro.
It's that simple, bro. You be
Call
licensed.
them.
I'ma try, bro.
Like literally call them and see what they say, and then if they don't say nothing good, leave it alone. Cause look at it like this. What are you losing? A possibility of being able to call them later on in life? Because if you ain't gonna call them now, you ain't gonna call them then either. I mean, if you call them now, you can call them then still.
And that's
even
a
if they hurt
company,
you now.
bro. The most they can say is
No.
no, thank you. Nigga, they say anything else, you can down there and sue. Shit, fuck it. You feel me? It's Google. Let me find out I can sue Google. I'm on that.
You left on good terms, right?
He left.
I
on
banked out on him.
good. No call, no show.
Yeah. Well, nah. Actually, nah. I texted him. Cause like during that time my granddad was getting sick a lot, so I like sent him a text. I was like, yeah, I can't work here no more, man. My granddad keep on getting sick. I keep on calling off, so I have to quit.
And what they say?
Okay. But I didn't like.
How was that
didn't-
bad terms, Nate?
I mean, it's not the best terms, but I would still see.
But I didn't text him. I texted like my floor supervisor. I didn't text like the manager or nothing.
That's why you gotta let know your floor supervisor. That's your floor.
Talk to anybody, dog. You back in there. It's fine. It's better than what you're doing
It
now.
wasn't that bad. And I don't know, it was fun too being there. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We did. They just made it fun, dog. You get off a call, somebody yelling at you. You get to laugh it off with like everybody that's around you. One dude was trying to sue Google because it was because he couldn't get his refund basically. And then he was like, you know what? I'm calling the press. I'm a lawyer. I can sue you guys. I'm putting this in the newspaper. And what's your name again? And then I told that nigga my name was Jason. He had me messed up. I was like, yeah, Jason. He's like, yeah, this phone call being recorded. So I'm gonna look back after the call and see what exactly went on. And then after that, he called back again, and somehow he got me because like the calling queue, it'd be random, so you really don't know who coming in or they don't know who they getting. So he got me randomly, and I could tell it was him the second he called there, cause like his profile pop up and it shows like all his last conversations, and I saw my note of what I wrote about him. So I was like, damn. I was like, hello, this is Jason from Google. How can I help you? He was about to put my name on no lawsuit. Yeah, me messed up, man. But then I eventually we eventually gave him not a refund but like a credit, so he can use for like for the future purchases. Skip that. But my name was about to be in on newspaper for Google. That was about to shut down everything for me.
It's like bang. And yesterday, it kind of 2 days ago, it kind of filled me up. Today, I ain't do that.
You said you want seconds.
Third. I feel like if I would have had the box of fries with it, I'd have been straight.
Fries hit. I ain't know our fries hit like that cold. That's warm cold.
Chill.
Yeah. I tried to eat them bitches before. No, maybe because it was the next day.
I like how they wrap this junk, man. You could just tear it off whenever you want some more. The shawarma.
Yeah.
It's probably when you got a good roller. See, when a roller ass, that bitch be falling apart. And that shit don't be tasting. Nigga might throw you some sauce, some lettuce or something.
Yeah, whoever wrote this did it real good.
That nigga Drew.
And he put extra ketchup in the bag.
He ain't put the stuff in the bag.
Girls did that.
Oh. You cool with that white girl that's in there?
Excuse me.
Which one?
The ponytail, 2 braids down the side.
Yeah. She's straight.
Or she was
seemed
light
a little
skinned?
weird. She was white.
Yeah, man.
Ish.
She got a mouth on her, bro.
She was talking crazy.
Nah, not crazy, but I don't know. She gave me like a little, like a
Fast.
gesture. You know, girls, they got their own little gestures. But when I walked up, she was like, hello. And then I was like, yeah, I'm give me a chicken shawarma. Then she said hello again. She's like, hello. She didn't
It's
even
funny
like
to
mark
me
nothing down.
Cause she kind of slow, and we be talking about that.
Is she really?
Yeah. She acts slow as hell, bro. She acts slow as hell.
She is slow or she acts slow? Because that's the difference.
She
Yeah.
acts slow. She acts slow.
Oh, okay.
Because Jay acts slow, if you
Yeah.
get what I'm saying. I feel like Jay, I thought he was slow, but now I don't think he's slow. I feel like he acts slow.
Yeah. Yeah, she acts
That's
slow.
crazy.
But she acts but she acts slow. Like one time we was having a conversation. This nigga like, bro, can you see if it's something on my neck? Da 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 da. She like, ugh. You like what? We think it's something on his neck. She like, it's skin. I'm like, bitch. What? Bitch? Nigga, skin all over your body, bitch. Do you see something on the nigga neck? That shit made me so mad in my head, dog. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
The reason why
It's skin.
excuse me.
Yeah, I can't believe she hit me with one of them though. She gonna say some hello again, dog. I had to play it cool though. Cause I know. Yeah, that just be females, man.
The reason why I stopped and paused because the one next to her, the one with the short hair that I was talking about.
Yeah.
See, when I'm not ready to order, I don't order.
Mm-hmm.
So I walked to the middle, but I didn't walk up to the counter because the things is to the right, so the middle is a better view. But she's like, hey, I can take your order or something like that. She greeted me. I'm like, 1 second, please, or something like of that nature, so I can order and bagged up and start looking at the menu. But out of respect, or out of the fact that I know she came up to me, because last time, I know sometimes when people be trying to give me the order with them.
Yeah.
Afterwards, I walk away to somebody else because I want to talk to them or something. Like, I want to have a conversation. I want to interact. You know, she could be pretty
With that one.
or just seem cool where I can know her and I want to go to her line. You know, so I didn't want to do that. Plus, you know, she was the most decent out of the one. She was the most plausible line to go to. It seemed like whatever. Well, yeah, because I didn't want to go to Chanel line.
Why?
Because we went to school with her, and I just didn't get a well, hey vibe from her. So it's a let me not be so close vibe.
Curve your dumb ass.
Not even curve.
She be getting on something. She low key nice as hell.
She is, cause I done had a you know, a cool moment with her before, but that's cause she initiated it, and I'ma chill. And if she initiated, hey, what's up?
Did she come to the back or talking to me like, people just annoy me? That should be funny as shit, dog. That's cause some people, bro, it do seem like she be having the worst time. Worst luck. I want to say worst time, worst luck sometimes.
I feel it. But I walk up to the line and I'm like ready to order. She's like, I said, hey, because that's how I start off. She's like, oh, you speak. I'm like, like, wait, I did something wrong? Like, I wasn't ready to order yet. I was supposed to, you know. So I'm like, oh, my bad. Hey, how are you? And that's how, like,
you speak.
She was adding, like, extra conversation to the thing, and some people don't. You feel me?
Yeah.
So I was debating whether that was just, you know, being friendly or if that was being a
like
good
a
salesman.
like a just natural.
Yeah, good salesman thing, or was it just like a cool vibe thing, or what? Or if it was something, like you said, natural that she do with everything or everybody. But she just seemed like that type of person to talk. Like I seen her turn around and talk to the guy that was on the grill. I seen her talking to you and the other guy. So it just seemed like she's just a talkative person.
You talking the
short hair, light skin. That's the vibe I get. But
she one of them. She don't. Damn, Jake. Bit the fuck out of that bitch,
bro. Joint dripped all over me, bro. Damn.
Yeah, she don't wanna. She currently on her one of her niggas ain't shit trains. I know.
Wow.
Damn. Past relationship shit.
That's how it be.
Dog. That shit low key did fill me up.
I don't know why, but last time I got that, I didn't like it. But I don't think it had no lettuce in the motherfucker, dog. I think it was just cucumbers and beef. It was just cucumbers and beef. Yes.
And what?
The salad. It wasn't no fucking lettuce. Them niggas gave me cucumbers, beef, and cheese, and peppers. I had no fucking salad. I'm eating this shit. I'm like, what the fuck?
That nigga honestly somebody made your shit again. That nigga don't give a fuck, bro. Bro, it's certain niggas be in that bitch, bro. Some of them niggas, they be cool.
I'm like, is this?
But when they get to making some food,
I'm like, is this
bro,
part of the menu, dog? I'm like, is this some shit I ordered? Cause I be trying shit. I'm like, I'll try it.
What did you?
You never know. You never try something
salad
new.
With beef on it?
Dog.
Or what?
I must have said I just want beef and cucumbers and cheese and peppers, cause that's what I got.
You know what? But sometimes when they write those up, the girls, sometimes when they write those up, niggas see the tickets in the back, and that bitch literally be like it'll say like what they ordered, and sometimes it'd be like only this, only this. So I think people when they be ordering,
You got some napkins.
sometimes
in there,
depending on who ordering your shit. You said what?
some napkins.
I was gonna say I had something in the cup order, but I don't know if somebody I think when somebody be like, yeah, I wanna I guess if y'all know all the stuff on it, they say I only want this or only this. They don't mean take everything off, but certain, I don't know, just certain shit. But them niggas that makes that shit like what only this and this, something like that.
I know I said no tomatoes, but I'm pretty sure I didn't say no salad, dog. Ain't no female cute
No,
enough
but
to
I know,
be in
but
that
I know.
motherfucker to be like, no salad. No, I ain't get
Yeah,
distracted.
Yummy would have did that shit.
She would have been cute enough to tell me.
I wouldn't say all that.
That's
You
what I'm
feel me? But she
saying.
would've
Ain't no
been on
mother
some-
cute enough.
Nigga, fuck all that. He ain't want no salad either, nigga. He ain't want no lettuce.
No, I'm saying wasn't nobody cute enough to for
Oh, to
me
let that-
not to want
oh,
it,
to let
you
that-
know,
yeah.
to be like, and fuck up like that. You know, cause I be distracted sometimes when I'm ordering. And I
I'm
mess
glad what's the name wasn't on the line. You probably would have been in your mood. Wasn't on the register.
You talking about the girl
Kate.
from 2 days ago? Kate.
Okay.
It would have just I would have did what I did when when she ordered. Like if she ordered, like if I was like working and she was coming,
Jake, hit that.
I would have
arrow
just
a
gave
little
her.
bit, man. I'm a little hot.
Bro, the heat. You talking about me? he for sure. You ain't had heat on? Or was I'm tripping?
No, he ain't had nothing on.
I feel like I feel some heat though. But then again, I couldn't complain because you know I got this sweater on.
And a hat.
The hat ain't doing shit. I don't know how it help in the winter because they don't do shit in the summer. No, they don't. I mean, it do something. It's not a big enough change.
I get them bitches for my ears.
Oh yeah, when I put them, big difference. But
That's the
I start
big
buying the
difference.
thing that go around your head, the headbands for my ears, because I need like a good thick extra protection for my ears.
I ain't never heard nobody be like, man, the top of my head cold. Like I ain't never heard no shit like that. Man, I need
True.
some top of my head cold as hell. Not ears.
It mainly
head.
be for like your forehead and your ears.
But no, I would have just gave her a dry, strictly business attitude. Like basically, I would have performed like I don't know her physically. You know, like I don't really know her. Like not nothing against her,
Mhm.
or like not being putting it down. I would have just talked to her like she was anybody else, but less. Like, cause I talked back to the other girl like today, and I was like having casual conversation with her. I would have kept it strict like just chill, but polite. You know,
Mhm.
not rude, not no type of stank facial expression. I just,
Just a normal
I'd be like, yeah,
conversation.
I'd be like, hey, how are you? Or no, I wouldn't say how are you. I would say, hey,
It would have been a jock combo.
dry combo with kind intentions. But the way it would have been is I don't want to irritate you or make you feel uncomfortable, considering the fact that I tried to talk to you and you wasn't interested.
Mhm.
I want to let you know that you can, you know, serve me without feeling some type of way. I'm not gonna harass you. You good. I'm gonna leave you alone, give you your space, and let you be.
So she hit that.
That ain't gonna happen. She don't even know my name.
Hey!
She don't even know my name, dog.
I just fucked this nigga ear up, dog. I ain't gonna lie, dog. I thought that shit was a little too loud. Dog, that's crazy.
Cause that's what happened the first time. Like when I first met her, well I ain't never meet her. When I first seen her, she got on the elevator and she was singing. And I ain't say nothing. But when I got off, I made a snap talking about her singing. I was like, I should have said something next time I'm say something or something like that of that nature. And then I seen her in the cab. I'm like, strap my nuts on. Went over there to talk to her strictly about singing or whatever. I was like, I ain't even gonna try to, you know, flirt, none of that. I'm just.
Mhm.
But she was on the phone. And I don't like walking up to girls on the phone. But I'm like, I'm scared. That's the best
Mhm.
excuse when you're scared. You feel me? So I'm like, since I'm scared or since I'm nervous about doing this, I'm gonna do it anyway. So I walked up to her and I said something to her, and then she said, 1 second or something. I'm on the phone. So after she said that, I said, okay. And I walked away. I left her alone from that day. But the reason why I talked to her again was because she was with her friend. I don't remember what friend she was with. But I walked past and they said something. Her friend said something to me.
Something crazy, like just some cool shit.
She just said something that stopped me. I don't know what she said. She said something that stopped me. And then I end up bringing up the fact that she didn't sing or whatever. So she gave me her Instagram. I got her Instagram. I asked her if she post anything or something like that. Got her Instagram and then walked away. And then I think the next time I tried to talk to her was when I was at Towers again. And I was scared. I low-key was scared for real this time, and I really wasn't gonna do it.
So speak.
Yeah, I was scared to speak. She was by the salad station, and I was supposed to walk up there and just talk to her because I knew the person who was making her salad. I mean, not salad, sandwich station. I knew the person who was making her sandwich, and it was just her and that person. I'm like, ain't no problem with me going up to go talk to her, you know? Ain't, you feel me? But I end up in the middle of the cafeteria, just like by that section. I was in the middle of it, just standing there. Like, you know how you jitter back and forth?
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna do it, I'm not. And I just end up pausing, and I just said, skip it, walked away, sat down, and sat in my chair. What I was supposed to do was walk up to her and ask her, could I sit with her? But I got scared. So I ended up choosing to sit by myself, eat by myself, since I was on my scary jump. And then she walked past, and she walked past. I used it as like a get out of jail free card. Even though I was scared, played a role like I'm not. Which technically I did do something, but I was scared. That wasn't the agreement that I made with myself, you know?
Yeah.
I downplayed it. So I took the easy way out, and I asked her when she walked past, and she said no thank you, so I just left her alone.
What you asked her?
I asked her if she mind if I sit with her, and she said no thank you. I left her alone.
Damn, just sit?
Yeah, but you got to think about it. I mean, I'd rather her say no thank you than want to say no thank you and not say it. Think about it.
Yeah,
I mean, you don't act like you want anybody to just sit next to you.
No.
I mean, you would say yes, but still.
But I feel like
you would say yes, but still.
This coming from me, I'm looking at it as she probably thought you was trying to slide on her.
I was, technically. And she would be right to think that.
I thought she was, like, it would have been different if she was,
I mean, you don't know what the situation is. She could have had somebody else in there that was her ex. Or something, you know. I'm pretty sure that's not the case, but you never know. You know?
Yeah, but she probably wasn't about to sit too long.
She didn't want to sit next to my ass, you feel me? She could have felt like she stank. You know, that ain't the situation, but you never know what's going on with people.
Yeah.
But I like the fact that she spoke her mind, and she was polite about it. You know, she wasn't even tripping.
How would y'all feel? Would y'all rather the girl say no thank you or give you a fake number?
No thank you.
Say no thank you.
Hit me up with that shit real
They was
quick.
at my job talking about that.
Matter of fact, I don't even want the real number. Give me a no thank you before you give me the shot by technically giving me the shot and giving me the real number. I mean, sometimes you can still, ease your way in. They might change their mind, but shit, if you don't want to talk to me, dog, don't give me your number. Period. Cause I don't want you to feel like I'm harassing you or nothing. Cause I'm trying to keep the conversation going. You gave me your number. I thought you wanted to talk to me. You ain't responding. I mean, it's common to assume that you don't want to talk to me, but I don't know. The way it be played so crazy, sometimes that don't be the case.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lot going on. Oh, all types of shit, dog.
They were saying that some nigga was in there, he shot his shot. One of them, when she turned around, she was asking me and the real nigga, she was like, I feel so bad. I just gave him a fake number, and he said, oh, thank you, and shook my hand and all this. What would y'all rather have a no thank you or or a fake number, I'm like, shit, a fake number, nigga. I mean, no thank you, cause like, I feel like that's kind
A
of
fake number worse.
Nigga, you walk. Let's say you with your mans, y'all in there. You know, you talking shit, right?
Yeah, I'm about to text her right now.
I'm about to text her. I'm about to, yeah, bro. I'm about
You
to
hear
go
that?
slide. I'm so happy that
Hit up light skin, man. All right, man.
you can't
Or
do
you
it.
text the motherfucker and you're like, who is this?
Yeah, you like the nigga from. Like what? This a whole ass nigga. You never know, bro. You be stuck as hell. You stuck as hell, bro.
Yeah,
So I was like, man, I wasn't get a no thank you.
That's why I don't even ask girls for their numbers nowadays, dog. I don't even feel comfortable asking no more. It be bullshit. I gotta feel the vibe. I don't know, dog. I gotta feel the vibe. Ask for them. Like I don't even be wanting, like the girl from Bucharest. I'm mad that I got her Snapchat, but she ain't gonna talk to me. I'm mad that she offered her, cause I wouldn't have asked her for her Snapchat. If you're not gonna talk to me, I don't want to be tempted, or I don't want to, have
Had
it.
that option to
Yeah,
just, to
be
able to
watching your
slide.
shit.
Okay.
Exactly, like, you got me thinking maybe later down the line you might click on one of my videos and start. Nah, fuck that, dog.